they do bad to you.
At all. The cleanest man in the whole world.
The cleanest man.
Yes.
For the whole world. As you protect me today, they protect every one of us.
These are the online.
Yes. Oh.
Clean.
Yes, so. Alaji Kwakwa so.
Now maybe chairman of be that.
Yeah. Chairman of Ida Fogele. Yes, sir.
Go shut the down, you know.
Chairman of OS in Ugele.
All the widows.
All the widows.
Bible say Matthew 15:20.
Yeah.
The widows is kicking on my God. All the chairman. All the chairman.
All the widows, chairman.
All the chairman.
All the widows, chairman.
All the chairman.
Yeah.
For Bible Matthew 15:20.
Yeah.
Say the widows is the kingdom of God.
Yeah.
Chairman.
Hey, Facebook go cry today. YouTube go cry.
You don't know what you see today.
Yeah. Kwakwa say I want buy you drink. What do you want drink?
Give me hero now.
Give a hero for me.
Mama,
Give a hero for me.
there.
Yes.
Yes, so now me be chairman of this.
Yes. Yes. OS. Ashawo department for Ugele.
See, it for Bible.
Yes.
Matthew 15:20 say, "How the widow is the kingdom of God." I be the chairman. Now the widow make me sit on there. You know what I do? See face to face fire.
Yeah. Firing us. See
See now face to face.
See am.
See my chest.
See am.
Now
Yeah, driver dey sit down. Yes, so help the widows and you will see the kingdom of God.
I'm the
Yeah.
chairman of
Yeah. Chairman of Bidas.
Yes.
For Ugele.
As vice chairman of Bida. I'm
Yeah.
the chairman of Widow Association.
Yes.
Celebration.
Yes.
Another one.
Yes. Yes.
Mama, any woman wey no get husband, and na me be chairman for the widows. Na me dey help them.
Yes.
Of Abraham,
The chairman of Bidaf. The chairman of Ashawo in Ugele.
all the widows association.
Yeah. Yeah. Wahala.
Matthew 15:20.
Yes.
And the widow you see kingdom of God.
Yeah.
You make me see today. Now only you are the code and I
Yeah, so.
no get any person.
What did they forgot talk this morning? Kwakwa say we load this morning.
For Ozoro University.
Yeah.
Hello.